kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hop do.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kray api na kabenda ka neat.
Manta ka step jong sisa jan kan ritorik ujalio arja penrio keladan ke jingsha Kawang Petrol bom ber ke jingsha Thang kali. Hagi Katto Katne tali ki banta jong sor Shillong. Hag baki polit marsnyo jingtip kilamare wood Shah kita ki Jaka. Kawai neki kali bela Shah Thang kade ke kali Innova. Katkum ke jingtip bela alum liatu bagi Jaka besar Kawang Petrol bom ki kentup anong mensong lumding jeri kanches trace bat maulai put mori. Hadu penmi yang kene kubor unonglum kubor dang wat benia alor kini ki jingjia.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.